Hello everyone! In today's video I will demonstrate and explain why we need to use merge quest, where a junior developer builds a new feature and gets it merged into the main branch with the help of a senior developer. We'll walk you through a real-world GitLab development workflow. You are working on a project where the main branch is stable and always product ready. One day the senior developer assigns a task to the junior developer. We need authentication in your app. Can you work on it? Junior developer create a new feature branch and start coding the authentication system. After implementing login, logout and user authentication, they test it thoroughly. Once QA confirms that everything works as expected, it's time to merge it into main branch. The junior developer opens the merge request in GitLab and requests a code review from a senior developer. Senior developer reviews a code, checking for the best practice, security and performance issue. If everything looks good, the merge request gets approved and merged into main branch. Now the new authentication feature is officially part of application and user can start it using. Why does this matter? It keeps the main branch stable at all time and your application always in stable state. Ensures every changes is reviewed and tested before deployment. And encourages team collaboration between junior, middle or senior developers. Let's go ahead and I'll demonstrate you how it works in real world in GitLab. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Telegram channel and Discord server. So now you see a stable application, simple Python application that prints welcome to our stable application, and senior developer assign task to junior developer to develop our authentication module for our application. Let's clone our repository to local. Command git clone to current directory. Now we have a local repository. Let's go to this folder, see what the branches now we have. We have only create and switch to the feature branch with command git checkout. Key B allows you to switch to new branch and the same time to create it. For example, feature authentication. Let's see. I check it with command git branch. Now we have the feature authentication branch is currently active. Let's make changes to the app UI file where the new model will be. Delete this and copy a new code. Let's go. So let's commit and push a new feature branch into the remote GitLab repository. And push to a remote repository. So we pushed this code to remote repository. Let's see. We got a new branch. Now if I see our stable code is the same, but when I switch to another, let's refresh, switch to another branch, you will see new applications that you have to test and submit it for review to your senior developer. So go to merge request, create new merge request, target source branch is feature authentication. The target branch is main. Compile and create and continue. Assign me and assign your. I have only one users, but you have to assign your senior developer. And as well here the options which allows you to delete source branch after your merge request is accepted. Here you see commits that was in feature branch and changes was made in comparing with main branch. Let's create it. So now you see the button approve. Senior developer will review the code quality to correctness. Here he is see what changes, provide feedback if necessary. In overview here, for example, change some if you want, and approve merge request into main. Now if you see in your main branch and open your file, you see a new version of your application. And now how you set up GitLab CI/CD to run on merge request. Go to build, pipelines, pipeline editor, automatically create .gitlab CI YAML file. Let's delete it. Here you implement one stage and script that runs this code, and this code running when you have only merge request. Okay, let's commit. For the triggering pipeline, you have to create a new feature branch, for example, and open new merge request to your main branch. Make some changes in new feature branch. By following these steps, you have to create a merge request and set up a pipeline in GitLab that triggers when changes are merged into main branch. This automation is crucial for maintaining code quality and deploying feature efficiently.